Hi, my Haley Rose. Hi, Oakley. Hi, Haley Rose. Hi, boy. Hi, Haley. Hi. Hi, Oakley. Here's a toy. Oakley. Oakley. Hi, Haley. Come here. Come here. Haley Rose. Haley. Come here. Hi. Can I see your toy? Can I see your toy? Can I see it? No? What's a no? Okay, yes? I can see it? Let me see it. Oh, that's a no. I want to play. No? Okay, that's okay. I'm actually very surprised she hasn't ripped that candy cane. It's very tiny. Oakley, come here. Oakley. Oakley, what is that? Really? Oakley, don't rip it, okay? Oakley, you cannot chew on that. Oakley? No. No, you can't chew on it. No. No, 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 no. Hi, Haley Rose. Is that your toy? You don't want me to touch it? Is that yours? There's Oakley. Hi, Oakley. Give this to me. No, 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 no. This one you can't play with. You can't play with this one. Let me see. Let go. Let go. No, no, no. I'm not playing, boy. I'm not playing. Let go. Let go. Let go. No. Thank you. No, not that one. You can have your toy. Oh my goodness. Oh, he found another toy. Oh, he's got an itch. Oakley, you okay? No scratching. Okay, let me see it. I want to play with you. Okay, pull, pull, pull. I got it. Oh my goodness, he's strong. Let me see it. Come here. It's like, nope, nope. Come here, let me see it. Haley. Oh man, I spoke too soon. Haley, what are you doing? What are you doing? Well, rest in peace. We're gonna throw it away now, Haley Rose. We're gonna throw it away now. We can't play with it anymore. Okay, say goodbye. It was fun while it lasted. Bye, guys.